So in this video, I'll be sharing with us the potential opportunity to make money in AUDJPY, that is Australian dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair. This is the 4 hours time frame chart, and seeing in this video, you can see that this market is in an equidistant channel. The price has tested the channel support twice here and here, and it has tested the channel resistance twice here and here. Something very interesting is happening right here. You see, before we got the second test of the channel resistance, we had these highs here. Okay, we had this high and this high, and if you always watch my video, you will always hear me say that the market seeks liquidity, and liquidities are always built above highs and below lows. Above these highs there was liquidity built, so while the price was still trading below this level, it was seeking to fill the liquidity, and that also coincided with channel resistance. And remember, I always say that markets love symmetry, so now we got that liquidity filled. The stops of people that were shorting this very trade from this point has been swept. Okay, so and price has returned back below the level. That means that this was a fake out, and if this is a fake out, then there will be an extended move to the opposite direction, because a fake out in one direction will always lead to an extended move in the opposite direction. Okay, so now that we've gotten this fake out, we're expecting price to come down to this opposite direction, that is to retest this channel support. So price will be seeking to fill up the liquidity below these lows, and also to complete this symmetry by touching the support of this channel. So all in all, price will be coming down here. The best option would be to take a sell position at a retest of this high. If you enter at this current price, let me show you. So let's say if you sell at just a little above where the price is right now, let's say I'm selling with a 0.05 lot size, then I put my stop loss just above this recent high. Okay, this fake out we've identified, that will be risking about $27.49, okay, which is about 86.9 pips. All right, so if I put my take profits here, that will be about 66.08 USD, and that's about 208.9 pips. Okay, but it would be better if I take my entry at a retest. So if I take my entry at a retest of that price level, the risk now will just be about 18.03 USD, which is better, just about 57.0 pips. Then my profit now will increase to about 75.57 USD, which is about 238.8 pips. So this is the opportunity, and anyone can take advantage of it. Either ways, your risk reward ratio is above 1:2. This is Mobile Trading Academy, giving you simple ways to make money without hassle in the forex market, simplifying everything about trading. Thank you for watching, and do have a great day.